Imagine cruising down a winding back road, the wind in your hair, the sun kissing your face, and behind you? Not just a camper, but your home. Welcome to the world of the 2026 Trike Camper, a mind-blowing invention that's changing how we think about travel, freedom, and life itself. This isn't your typical camper, and definitely not your average trike. It's a futuristic blend of engineering genius and minimalist design that's turning heads all over the world. And today, you're about to step inside one of the rarest, most innovative creations on 3 wheels. At first glance, you might think it's just a quirky oversized tricycle. But take a closer look, every inch of this machine has been carefully crafted to serve a purpose. Lightweight yet durable, sleek yet rugged, it's built to handle both city streets and wild terrains. But the real magic? It's what's inside. Slide open the side panel and step into a world of pure compact brilliance. Despite its size, the 2026 Trike Camper packs everything you need: a cozy fold-out bed, an integrated kitchenette, solar-powered lights, and even a mini workspace. Yes, you can cook, sleep, work, and adventure, all from a vehicle smaller than most cars. And here's the kicker: it runs on an ultra-efficient electric motor, making it not only quiet and smooth, but totally eco-friendly. Say goodbye to fuel stations and hello to freedom. Now, imagine pulling up by a lake, popping open the rear hatch, and sipping your coffee as the sun rises over the water. No campground fees, no rent, no worries. Just you, your trike, and the open world. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. A bold statement against the high cost of living, rent stress, and the trap of materialism. This is for the rebels, the dreamers, the digital nomads. Those who want to live more by owning less. But it's not just about function, the design is straight up stunning. Aerodynamic curves, matte finish, and modular add-ons that let you customize your trike into whatever you need: extra storage, a rooftop tent, even a mobile solar panel array. And did I mention the smart tech integration? Yup, this trike has app-controlled systems, GPS tracking, and even voice-activated features. People are calling it the future of solo travel. And the best part? It's surprisingly affordable. No crazy loans, number 30-year mortgages, just a one-time investment in your freedom. This is why so many are ditching traditional homes and hopping on board this mobile revolution. So, what would you do with a 2026 Trike Camper? Where would you go? Who would you become when you no longer have rent to pay or walls to confine you? If you're still watching, you're probably already picturing it. Your new life. Your new ride. And let me tell you, the open road is calling. Will you answer?